Yes, guys, this is Diana Mejia, your personal psychologist, and yes, we are working on negative beliefs in the last few videos. I will leave previous videos in the description box below, so watch them. There we were talking about importance of negative beliefs for your life, how you can determine your negative beliefs and how you can fix them. And now we will work on a couple of life hacks, some quick tricks that you can do in your mind to be able to fix your negative beliefs and to obtain a new state of mind that is according to some new situation in your life that will create absolutely new quality of your life. So let's get to it. So as I was talking in my previous videos, specifically about difficulty of determination of negative beliefs, there I say that it's not easy to find them because your psychic has multiple levels of protection that simply wouldn't let you get into your depths of your psychic where all your negative beliefs are. But there in those videos I were giving you those tricks that you can do on your own to be able to get there and to find those negative beliefs. So go there, watch those videos, do those exercises, and when you have your negative beliefs written down, come back here. I will wait for you. So now when you, let's say, determined your negative beliefs and you have them written down, you have, let's say, negative belief in some specific area. Let's say it's your social life. So you have some difficulty in your social life, you have some difficulty in feeling comfortable around people, that you always feel that people reject you, that people don't like you, that people look at you and they think that you're weird, that something is wrong about you, that they think what is this weird guy, what he's doing here, and so on. So you have to determine the feeling and emotion that you feel, let's say, in the society when you are going out, and you have to determine that with a specific phrase. So some specific phrase like when people are looking at me, they think I'm weird. And now go ahead and make up the opposite verbiage that would resonate well with how you want to feel around people, how you want to feel when you're going out and you interact with people, how you want to feel, how you want to be seen. And let's say your first negative saying was when people are looking at me, they think I'm weird. So your opposite saying would be when people are looking at me, they like me and they think that I'm smart, or the people like me and they think I'm beautiful, or whatever else the most resonates with you. And after we have it written down, we are getting into the trick, because like this, your psychic wouldn't want to deal with that, your psychic wouldn't believe in it and wouldn't be even interested in it, in this opposite saying, I mean. So to reprogram our psychic, we have to talk in a psychic's language. Psychic language is emotions. Our psychic is basically getting programmed with emotions. Emotions is a C++ language for our psychic. So we have to use that to reprogram it. So we are taking this, your positive belief that you wrote down, that when people are looking at me, they like me and they think that I'm smart, or they think that I'm beautiful, they think that I'm successful, or whatever else. And now you are taking this belief, this your positive belief, and you imagine how you feel when this is happening. So how you feel when you are going out and people are looking at you and they feel that you are cool, they like you, they think that you are smart, they think that you are beautiful, how would you feel? What emotions you will feel? Just imagine that moment and try to feel it. How it feels being there. What do you feel being there? How it goes through you. Let this emotion go through you. Let it go through you. Let it feel. Get the feel of it. When you got the feel of it, just be there. Just be there and just enjoy it as much as you can. And as much as you enjoy it and as more realistically you enjoy it, the better your psychic is getting reprogrammed. And after you are done, just get back to your previous negative belief that you had written down, that people are looking at you and they think you're weird. And that negative belief was based on specific emotions that you experience when you are in the society, when you are around people. So now, after you experienced all those emotions when you were programming your positive belief, when you will be out there, when you will be with people, you already wouldn't be falling back into your previous state. You already wouldn't be falling back into your previous situation when you felt that people are looking at you, that you're weird, when you feel that something is wrong with you, when you felt like maybe shy and embarrassed and kind of like ashamed of yourself. You already wouldn't be feeling that. Yes, you still will have the urge to feel that, but you already will catch yourself and will be thinking that maybe it's not like this. Maybe it's actually not like this, because your psychic will remember that you could feel different. Your psychic will remember that you had that different feeling, and it already wouldn't be falling automatically into your previous state. And as more you will practice this exercise, the less you will fall into this your previous state when you felt embarrassed, when you felt ashamed, and when you feel that you don't belong there. So just use it and live your best life. And now put like to this video, just hit this button hard, subscribe on this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.